Pairing your phone via Bluetooth with your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y enables hands-free calling, contact syncing, media playback, and more. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring a seamless and safe driving experience. Key benefits include hands-free calling for safety, contact syncing for quick access, and media playback through your car's speakers. While Tesla prioritizes its native system for phone functionality, Bluetooth pairing still plays an important role in providing wireless connectivity. Here's how the connection works. Your phone wirelessly links to your Tesla vehicle. You'll see this Bluetooth settings interface on your Tesla's touchscreen, where you can manage connections and add new devices. The dashboard displays connection status and options for pairing, ensuring everything is set up correctly. Settings menus provide access to all connectivity options, including Bluetooth controls. First, ensure your smartphone supports Bluetooth. Most modern iOS and Android devices do. Then, on your Tesla's touchscreen, check for software updates by navigating to Controls and then Software. Install any available updates to guarantee you have the latest Bluetooth enhancements and bug fixes, such as those included in the 2024.44.x updates and beyond. These updates improve Bluetooth stability and integration. To access Bluetooth settings in your Tesla, start on the vehicle's touchscreen. Tap Controls to open the Controls menu. From there, select Settings. Navigate to Connections. Then select Bluetooth to access the Bluetooth settings menu. This brings you to the Bluetooth settings menu, where you can manage paired devices and initiate pairing. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on in this menu. On your smartphone, whether iOS or Android, start by opening the Settings app and selecting Bluetooth. Once Bluetooth is enabled, your phone will automatically start scanning for nearby devices that are ready to pair. Look for your Tesla in the list of available devices. It will typically show up with a name like Tesla Model 3, followed by the last 4 digits of your vehicle's VIN number. Make sure to keep your smartphone within 10 to 30 feet of your Tesla vehicle throughout the pairing process to maintain a strong Bluetooth signal. A passkey will appear on your Tesla's touchscreen. Enter this passkey, often 000 or 1234, on your smartphone when prompted. Accept any connection requests or permission prompts on both your phone and the Tesla to finalize the pairing. This ensures secure wireless communication using Bluetooth Low Energy. Once paired, designate your phone as the primary device in your Tesla's Bluetooth settings. This ensures your phone handles all calls and media playback automatically. Navigate to the Bluetooth menu on your touchscreen. Then select your phone from the list of paired devices and choose it as the primary device. This prioritizes your phone for audio routing through the car's speakers. Next, grant the necessary permissions for contacts and notifications. This allows your Tesla to access and display your phone's contact list for hands-free calling and read notifications aloud for safety. With permissions granted, your phone seamlessly integrates with Tesla's native system. Watch as the connection establishes, enabling hands-free features like contact syncing and media control. These steps ensure seamless integration, allowing your Tesla to access contacts for calls and notifications for alerts, all while keeping you focused on the road. To test your Bluetooth connection, make a test call or play music from your phone to confirm that audio is routing through the car's speakers correctly. If you encounter issues, try forgetting the device on both your phone and the Tesla and repeating the pairing process. Disabling Wi-Fi on your phone during setup can also prevent interference. If problems persist, restart your Tesla. While Bluetooth is currently essential for Tesla connectivity, Tesla is evolving toward integrated smartphone ecosystems combining Wi-Fi Direct and cellular data for remote diagnostics. Industry experts predict Bluetooth will remain core until 2028, but Tesla's AI-driven assistants will automate connections based on user profiles. This evolution brings enhanced features through connectivity packages with seamless AI-powered connections between your phone and Tesla vehicle. Enjoy the convenience and safety of hands-free connectivity in your Tesla.